Would you like to learn how to make some delicious Southern Succotash? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Okay, let's get started with frying some bacon for the Southern Succotash recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. If you don't eat pork, I hope things get better for you. You could use turkey bacon instead, but you'll probably have to add a little bit of oil. Or you can leave the meat out altogether, just add a little bit of oil in the pan so that you could saute some veggies. I removed the bacon from the pan, but I left the bacon grease in the pan for that yummy flavor. And I'm sauteing my multicolored bell peppers and red onions in that bacon grease on medium heat. And any color bell peppers or any kind of onion will do here. Now I let the veggies saute for about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add in some garlic. I add the garlic last because garlic has a tendency to burn. Now I'll give it a stir and let it cook for about 1 more minute before adding in some frozen okra. Typically lima beans are used in this recipe, but I don't like them. Nope, sure don't, so I'm just going with okra. I barely like that either. But my mom loves okra and I ain't trying to get knocked out. Next, corn goes in. And stir, stir, stir. Once I get the corn all mixed in, then I'll add some crushed tomatoes. Then I'll mix all of that together. And once I get it mixed up, then I'll add in some salad and vegetable seasoning. And after that, I'm gonna add some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm also going to add a little complete seasoning. And lastly, some Italian seasoning as well. Oh, and add about a teaspoon of sugar too to balance out the acidity from the tomatoes. Now I'll let this cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the veggies are nice and tender. And then I'll add in the bacon and some butter. The butter will make it even more flavorful and rich. But the butter's optional. I was just trying to help your palate. And after about another 2 minutes, then it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to get
my God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This Southern Succotash came out so delicious, just super yummy, packed with flavor. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
these peas, you got recipes. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.